Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos in iCloud. Let's start. So, it's pretty easy to upload videos in your iCloud because it's the same deal when you're going to upload photos or images, in your iCloud. The easiest would be then just to make sure that your iPhone is synced to your iCloud, and then you turn on the photos in there. So whatever photos and videos that you've taken is automatically saved on your iCloud as long as you're still within the allowed storage, because if you've used up all of your usage, I'm sorry, if you've used up all of your storage already, then you can no longer upload videos. So I'm just gonna show you one interesting thing that sometimes you would encounter this message, guys, when uploading videos to your computer. Because say for instance, I'm already here in my iCloud. All you need to do really is just to click on I upload. Okay, when you click on that, you just need to select what video files that you want to upload, and then that's pretty much it. But then I think most of the users are encountering the same. Say for instance, I'm going to be uploading one. This is actually from Crypto Prodigy for Shiba Inu update. So you would be getting this one that says there was a problem uploading one file. Only files in JPEG format can be uploaded. So it wouldn't be uploaded if you are not on JPEG format. So this is the same error that most users are actually experiencing. But what I'm actually doing is that these are not JPEG format, but they are uploaded in my iCloud.com. So since my album is sync, all I need to do is just to transfer if I want to upload them. So say for instance, I want my cat in the bicycle be uploaded, be transferred, and I can just do that. If you notice, it's already here. So that's one tip for you right there. But pretty much, if you need to upload the photos, you just really, or the videos rather, you just really need to click on this one. If you're doing this on Mac, if you're doing this on other Apple devices, you won't have any issues. But for Windows, these are some things that you need to consider, that sometimes you will be getting that message. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.